Meaning of demagogy.
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 Demagogy. Demagogy refers to the use of manipulative and deceptive techniques in speech or writing to gain political power or influence. It often involves appealing to people's emotions and prejudices rather than rationality and facts. The result of demagogy can be negative, as it can lead to the exploitation and manipulation of people's fears and desires. It can also contribute to the spread of misinformation and the erosion of democracy, as demagogues may use their influence to undermine institutions and suppress dissenting voices.